Hello students, welcome to Life Sciences with Jyotishri. So in this module, we will be learning about the second experiment which proves that DNA acts as a genetic information carrier from one generation to another generation. So in the previous session, we have discussed about transformation experiment which was first introduced by Griffith, and it is also known as Griffith transformation. So in this session we will be learning about conjugation. What is conjugation? Conjugation is the transfer of genetic material between two bacterial cells of opposite meeting and with their physical contact with each other through intracytoplasmic bridge. There is a transformation of genetic material from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell. So the bacteria which donates its single stranded plasmid is known as a bacteria donor bacterial cell, and the bacterial cell which receives the plasmid from the donor is known as recipient cell. So the process in which DNA is transferred from one bacterial donor cell to the recipient by cell to cell contact is nothing but your conjugation is conjugation through cytoplasmic bridge. Okay, so coming to the mechanism of conjugation, donor cell produces a pili, and this pili is, as we all know, pili and flagella are meant for locomotion movement, and this pili attaches to the recipient cell. So this pili is nothing but your cytoplasmic bridge, isn't it? So this pili attaches to the recipient cell and brings the two cells together. Only single strand of plasmid is then transferred to the recipient cell from the donor cell, and both the cells synthesizes a complementary strand to produce double-stranded singular plasmid DNA and also produce pili. So the donor cell which is having this intracytoplasmic bridge, that is nothing but pili, is termed as donor bacterial cell due to the presence of pili. As we all know, pili is of two types. It's a natural pili, a normal pili, and sex pili. So the pili which is being used during your conjugation is nothing but sex pili, and the normal pili is meant for locomotion movement. So presence of sex pili indicates that bacteria is also termed as Fim plus cells, and the recipient bacterial cell which is receiving the plasmid from your bacterial cell, donor bacterial cell, is also known as Fim minus cell or recipient bacterial cell. So now both the cells are viable and they are used for growth. Okay, so in this session, so in this slide you can easily see that the chromosomal DNA which is having the plasmid, that is in the blue color, is the donor which is donating the plasmid through a cytoplasmic bridge, that is your pili, to the recipient bacterial cell. So this conjugation is done with the help of relaxosome transferasome enzyme, and with this the recipient bacterial cell is also converted into donor bacterial cell, and it is also termed as Fim plus cells. So the old donor has converted the recipient bacterial cell into new donor bacterial cell and as well as Fim plus cells. Okay, so this is nothing but conjugation experiment, and this was first introduced by Liedenberg and Tatum, and they have discovered that the genetic recombination is observed in bacteria which occurs through conjugation, that is through external cytoplasmic bridge and also with the Fim plus cells. Thank you.